up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a eye makeup using this palette from Dasique. It is called the Mood Shadow palette and this is shade number 2 in Cool Basic. For those that watch my video, you guys already know that I'm a cool tone. And I recently got this palette and it literally screams cool tone. And I feel like I could make so many eye makeup looks out of these because if you see, there are some more pink colors, a little bit more redder colors, and some more like gray purple colors. And something I like about this palette is that there's a lot of ranges. Like there's like 5 shades of glitter, and then there's like the neutrals on the top, and then more of the colors. And down here we have the darker colors that's gonna create more of the shadows and the contrast. And just a heads up, like even if you're not a cool tone, it's totally fine to do this because I'm a winter cool tone. I'm the cool tone of the cool tone, but I still do warm tone makeup and like it's fine. It really depends on like what color base you put on. Like when I want to be warm tone, I just put more of the neutral foundation. Like you could do everything just because don't put yourself in a bubble. You could do whatever you want. Okay, let's get started. I actually never used this palette yet, so yeah, I don't know what to expect, but let's do it. First, for my base color, as I told you guys, I have multiple options up here, but I do want to give a little bit more of hint of pinkish orangey, so I'm gonna go with that one. Because it's a Korean palette, it's not gonna be too pigmented. Very naturally, I just have a little bit more color on my eyelid. It looks like I cried, like it looks like I'm cold. And I'm gonna use the same color, it all over like that, kind of avoiding the inner corner, and it could be a little bit darker. You see, very naturally blended these out, and honestly I really prioritize doing bottom eyeshadow because I want to shorten my face, and in order to do that I need to shorten this area right here. And adding the eyeshadow on the bottom of the eyelid instead of focusing too much up here, just gonna balance it a little bit lower. Okay, now it's time for my base main color. I am debating over these 3 because these are dark enough and have enough color to really show that off on the top. This could be very neutral. It could be for warm or cool tone. Even this color too, but this is definitely more for cool tone. So I'm just gonna go with neutral today. And for this one, I'm not gonna go as big as my base color, but it's gonna be like embracing my eye kind of vibe. So like 2 to 3 millimeter above. And for this one too, I am using a pretty fluffy brush so that the blending is a little bit more easier and it's not harsh. Wait, this is like much orange than I thought. Let me kind of mix the purple in a little bit. Just blend this out a little. There it is. Just like that, very natural. It's still pretty orangey, but then I feel like the hint of the purple one kind of killed it down. But I want the purple a little bit more, so let me grab this with more of a pointed brush, and I'm gonna put it on the outer side of my eye, closer to my eyeball this time. We're not gonna spread it too much. And for this color, you have to choose the right one, because if it's too dark, it's gonna look like your eye makeup is smudged. So I recommend something that has a little bit of hint of reddish. I just applied it in the outer side, just like that, maybe like halfway through my eye. And from here, I'm gonna choose the transition color for my eyeshadow and my eyeliner, which is gonna be the darker ones over here. If you see, this one has a little bit of more hint of red, and this is kind of more like green, yellowy. And today I'm feeling more of this one. Starting from the inner corner, blend it out. And this one, I guess it could be okay to be a little bit more harsher. It's gonna serve as like a really thick eyeliner for the Monolid. And something that is really important is that the eyeshadow needs to show up here when I open my eyes. Oh, this really takes forever to build up. Honestly, Korean palettes are really good for beginners because they're not as pigmented as American brands. So even if you mess up, like it's totally fine. Like this look is so simple. It's literally just base color, transition color, and then the contrast color. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's time for glitter, but I don't know which one to choose because there's 4. I don't know why, but I'm feeling pretty like bright today. I feel like white. Let me see the white one. Okay. Let me see this one. Okay, a little bit more pinky. This one is kind of chunky. This one, you could barely see it. Very small shines. I really like how this white one glitter shines, but the color, I like this one a little better, so let me just mix these 2. And then I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner, and then the inner corner right here, I really like the way it shines. But the color, I'm still kind of iffy about it, but I think when I do it with the purple eyeshadows, it's gonna look even better. I don't know why, I'm feeling kind of bold and I want to put the big glitter kind of like on top, like just like that. In the middle, I don't know why I just did that, but okay, I am officially done using all the eyeshadows. I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner and then eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the eyelash and eyeliner done. What do you guys think? You know what, I actually really like it. You could already tell my eyes are way bigger, but that is it for making a look out of this palette. I'm sure there's tons of ways, okay, not million, maybe like few tens of ways to make a look out of this, but I hope you guys liked it and you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to subscribe, join the family, and follow me on my socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!